If you've known me for any length of time, you are no stranger to this Baton Rouge local business. Conrad Freeman is a master of his craft, and if you get one of his products, you're also getting a piece of his heart and soul. So I'm very, very honored to help you learn a little bit more about Freeman Handcrafted.
My name is Conrad Freeman, and I run and operate Freeman Handcrafted, a small batch contemporary furniture design studio. I make furniture of all kinds, but I concentrate on furniture of my own design, from tables and desks to small sculptures and home goods.
How long have you been doing this?
I've been in business officially for about 4 years, I'd say. What I enjoy most about this is I get to fulfill my creative desires with making functional art, basically. I got into this craft through my degree in sculpture at LSU. The last semester I made a table frame out of metal and realized that this was something that I could sell. This is something that I enjoyed making, and it could also fill those creative desires. So I pursued some jobs after college with fine furniture and cabinet shops, and then eventually opened my own business. I guess the reason why I do this is something I put on all of my Instagram posts is made to make. It's this thing I heard in a sermon in college that really stuck with me and really spoke to me, because I do feel that. I feel that I was made to do this. I was made to create. I was made to design. And it's just something that I feel that I need to do. And if you want to do that for a living, you need clients and you need to produce work. And so I guess it was a falling into this, but I was driven by the creative needs that I feel like I was given, and my talents that I was given, and what I was made to do, I feel like is close to what I'm doing, but I'm figuring that out constantly.